Hey, Bob Carr here. We're up in Reisterstown today. We're installing a brand new 20-zone underground lawn sprinkler system. Come along with us. Show you how we get this done in one day. So we got a 20-zone underground lawn sprinkler system we're installing in Reisterstown today. We got one plow in this direction, another plow on the other side of the yard. So we got two install teams here working together to get this 20-zone system in the ground today. Complete, all the plumbing, all the controller, the wireless rain sensor, the smart lawn sprinkler controller. I think I just said that, but it'll be Wi-Fi enabled. You can run that off your phone, smartphone anywhere in the world. We're gonna get all the rotors in the turf. We're gonna get all the spray heads in on the front shrubbery bed and get this complete in one day. How you like that blade? Pretty nice?
Yeah. Only the car is the
ground's hard. Popping up, pulling.
I'll push everything down and down.
Starting to pull on you. Getting this pipe in 10 to 12 inches deep, which is perfect for residential work. He's got a new blade on the back of the machine. So he's testing that out, getting this pipe in. Then we got another operator on the other side, another foreman, and we're getting the pipe in on that side of the yard. So two teams working together today to get this completed. Hey Greg, what's Keith doing here with this piece of turf?
Mr. Grayson said he was going to redo the whole driveway, bring it all the way out to the new edge.
So you're going to dig this out and asphalt this?
Yeah.
So this is going to all be asphalt here, right?
Yep.
And redo all this. So we're going to completely redo this driveway, resurface it, cut this out, gravel it, asphalt, re-asphalt the whole thing. That way it's all one piece. You can see where it's been the piece here.
Yeah, he's added on.
Piece over here. Excuse me. Okay. So that'll make it nice.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see what these guys got going on here. I told them to put the wire in for the future for the lighting. And the guys are getting everything hand dug out. Pipe put in, spray heads on here. Got spray heads going on in here. All the way down the walkway here for his new plantings. So the guy's getting all the pipe in, one underneath here, to connect all that together. Getting in lighting wire here for some path lights and some uplight for his home. We'll have all this prepped up and ready to go. He has some existing lighting here left over when he purchased the home. We'll go ahead and remove all that when we come back out on this project. That'll probably be in a couple weeks. He wants to get this done first, everything backfilled and cleaned up, and then, then we're gonna come back and install the uplighting in front of this house and some pathway lighting here. Well, that's a thin wire there, and it's about 2 inches underneath the ground. That's a Verizon cable, not buried in code, which causes us a lot of grief every day. These guys putting these lines in 2 inches in the ground. Hey Jeff, I mean, that line's not that deep.
Yeah, that's maybe 1 inch.
Yeah, about 2 inches and that's it.
Yeah.
You just gotta be careful of that because Keith runs his business out of here.
Yeah.
The computer and all.
The computer, yeah.
High-speed internet right there.
The computer can open right here and there. Oh yeah, for the machine.
Okay. Hi Claudia, how are you? How's your son doing? Good? He ever finished up with his license?
Oh, no.
Not yet? Oh, I thought he was going to take his test.
No, only go for the test for the drive.
Oh, okay. So we're going to have that in one zone, this another zone. I told the guys to get the lighting wire in for that project. Working over here, they're working over there.
Field said he ended up with 21 total, 17 rotors, 85 rotors total, 5 of zone, and then 4 zones of sprays, 7 heads each.
Okay. Take a look at this pool deck we redid last year. It's really sharp. Look, he's getting ready to open up his pool. I think he's just finishing up on his decking up here, getting rid of all the contractors off the property and finished where he can come out here and enjoy his pool deck and use his swimming pool. Got a lot of projects going on, don't you?
Oh my goodness, yeah. Well, you know, that was a necessity. To be frank with you,
Was it?
if that joker hadn't been in prison, he would have been in court with me.
Oh.
'Cause he put the addition. What happens is I had to remove the whole deck. Initially, just this piece was the deck. And then
Oh.
that part was like the roof of the extension.
Gotcha.
Problem is, when I went in to remove the drywall and insulation, they had siding nailed to studs.
No, they didn't.
I swear to God.
Oh my gosh.
It wasn't framed. They just had a rubber membrane running over. It was barely nailed in. So water was leaking and getting in. I mean, it was ridiculous.
Who does work like that?
I know. So I had to have it reframed. You know, with the water table.
Sure.
The new side, and then they had a different siding. They had another siding that was a different color. So that was tan when this is gray. So it was a mess. So.
Looks good now, though.
Oh yeah. And it's
You got a hurting on it now.
I mean, before you would go in there, like in the winter, freezing cold.
Was it?
Freezing cold was ridiculous.
Need an intercom system around here. Get too many contractors working, you are in a swivel. Like a rotisserie, going around in a circle, rotating.
Well, the good news is that it'll be over soon.
Yeah.
You know?
We were just talking about that. It's been going on for a while.
Oh yeah.
That wraps up another episode of Life of a Contractor. We'll talk to you soon. If you like this, like, subscribe, and we'll talk to you in the next episode. Talk to you soon.